Hi, everyone. Welcome to this episode of MedTech Minis. Today, I'm here with Debbie, CEO and founder of Hero Medical. How are you today?
Hi, Susie. Doing great. Thanks so much for having me.
Well, thank you for joining us. So let's dive right in. Tell us a little bit about what you set out to solve with Hero Medical.
Yeah, Hero Medical Technologies. Well, my background, I'm a nurse practitioner, so I've taken some background experience over the past 25 some years and some personal experience caring for my own family members. And I realized there's an unmet need for early diagnosis and treatment of traumatic brain injury, or TBI. So right now, the way traumatic brain injury is diagnosed, it's a lengthy process requiring hours spent in the emergency room, sitting and waiting basically for a diagnostic CAT scan of the brain. And so even before that point, you might see paramedics, have the ambulance call, get to the hospital, sit and wait. And unfortunately, especially for older adults, 1 in 4 older adults will fall each year and then, maybe have an okay CAT scan and then be sent home and not fare as well. And so we're trying to use vital signs and data analytics to solve the problem of better classifying which patients are going to take a turn for the worse.
That is fantastic and much needed. So tell us a little bit about your product and how it solves this issue.
Yeah, so it's a 3-part solution that we hope can be used a la carte or as one custom platform solution. So the goal is really to take a faster cap-shaped bandage to replace what we've been using for 4,000 years, just rolled gauze that takes a long time to apply. So the goal is faster bandage so that you can free up hands of the first responder, nurse, or doctor, and then put on a small, it'll be about this size. It will be a vital sign monitor that goes on the forehead connected to the bandage, and it will light red, yellow, green, depending on the vital signs as they come in and as they are categorized according to risk level at the back end. And so by having faster bandage, faster sensor with color-coded lights, we then can better classify and then connect it to an app to get even more data on the patient's status.
That is so fantastic, especially knowing that you're not wasting time while you're en route to the hospital. I think that's huge because when you have a TBI, I know the longer you're waiting to do something about it, the worse things are going to get for you. So this is great. Tell me a little bit about where you are in your commercialization journey.
Yes, so we are pre-commercialization. We're in prototype phase now. We have the bandage being transferred to manufacturing for our first batch. We've already tested it preclinically at the Mayo Clinic Simulation Center, but we now have a better prototype, more absorbent. We're going to run some more tests, send them out to a handful of hospitals. Our sensor is also in its second revision now, but it's pretty neat with the lights lighting up as they're supposed to according to the algorithm. And we do have an app that's in beta form now, and we're integrating some of the machine learning models. And actually, it's pretty neat. The goal is really to use facial analytics and capture more data, including video vital signs, to merge with the wearable sensor data.
This is fantastic. So tell us a little bit about how people get a hold of you if they'd like to learn more.
Yes, I am very available on email, debbie@heromedtech.com. I'd love to connect, or otherwise you can check out our website, www.heromedtech.com.
Awesome. And follow you on LinkedIn because I follow you and you do a lot of great posts. So hopefully people will find you there as well. Yeah. Thank you so much for taking some time for us today. I'm sure that a lot of people are going to be excited about the work that you're doing, just like I am. Have a great afternoon.
Thank you, Susie. I appreciate it. Take care.
Bye-bye.